Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Detectors Tech. In this video, we're going to bypass this annoying ad blocker detector. So first, you right click on Chrome, inspect, and then you have to look for what HTML element this is. So you just highlight it or click it to select it and then delete. Right click again to remove this grayscale thing or some sort of transparent overlay. Just hit that and delete. Now, after you've done that, you can't scroll, so there's no scroll bar. So you right click, inspect, highlight this text, delete that, and now you can scroll. So just a quick note, this only works for Forbes, most probably, but the idea is the same for all sites. If you have a site and you're running ads and you detect ad blocker, you are an annoying person. I run ads in my YouTube channel, but I don't keep people from viewing my content if they run ad blocker. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.